In July 2025, Istanbul hosted the 17th International Defense Industry Fair, where Turkey unveiled its most powerful conventional weapon yet, the GAZAP Bomb. The name, meaning wrath, signals Turkey's growing military confidence and ambition for self-sufficiency. Developed entirely by Turkey's National Defense Ministry R&D Center, GAZAP is ready for immediate deployment. No prototype, no concept, just operational power. This achievement marks a leap in Turkey's technological independence, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. The reveal was a calculated show of force, aimed at both adversaries and allies, asserting Turkey's status as a formidable military actor. International media described the event as a major statement of intent. For Turkey, GAZAP is more than a weapon. It's a symbol of national pride and a powerful deterrent. The bomb's introduction is part of a broader military modernization drive under President Erdogan. A strong, independent defense industry is now central to Turkey's foreign policy. GAZAP stands as the most dramatic example of this new era in Turkish defense. GAZAP is a 970-kilogram Mk-84 class bomb, but its real power lies in its thermobaric technology. Unlike standard explosives, it disperses a fuel cloud, then ignites it, creating a devastating, sustained blast. 10,000 metal fragments are spread over a 1-kilometer radius, making its area of destruction immense. Its blast is 3 times more powerful than standard Mk series bombs. GAZAP is compatible with Turkey's F-16S, F-4S, and soon, its advanced drones, no new aircraft needed. Precision guidance ensures accuracy, minimizing collateral damage despite its wide blast radius. This combination of power and precision makes GAZAP a formidable tool for modern warfare. Turkish officials claim it's the most powerful thermobaric weapon in NATO's arsenal. GAZAP isn't just bigger, it's smarter, more versatile, and a leap ahead in battlefield technology. GAZAP's debut sent shockwaves through NATO, highlighting Turkey's shift from arms importer to tech innovator. It gives Ankara new leverage, positioning Turkey as a key power player within the alliance. Unlike Russia's father of all bombs or America's Moab, GAZAP's size and fighter jet compatibility make it far more practical. Its versatility appeals to nations seeking advanced air-to-ground capabilities without political strings. Interest from countries like Qatar, Azerbaijan, and Pakistan signals Turkey's growing influence as an arms exporter. For buyers, Turkish weapons are often more accessible than American or Russian alternatives. GAZAP boosts Turkey's ability to project power in the Middle East, Mediterranean, and Black Sea. It's a potent deterrent, forcing adversaries to rethink any confrontation with Turkey. The bomb cements Turkey's status as a self-reliant, formidable regional power. GAZAP crowns decades of transformation in Turkey's defense industry. Once reliant on imports, Turkey now supplies advanced systems worldwide. Its drones, like Bayraktar and Anka, have reshaped conflicts from Syria to Nagorno-Karabakh. Turkey is developing its own 5th-generation fighter, the TFX Khan, and advanced naval platforms. This industrial rise ensures an embargo-proof defense posture and expands Turkey's geopolitical influence. By exporting arms, Turkey forges strategic partnerships and durable alliances. Its model inspires other middle powers to pursue self-reliance. GAZAP and other innovations showcase Turkey's emergence as a global defense leader. GAZAP's destructive power raises serious ethical and legal concerns. Thermobaric weapons cause horrific injuries and are controversial when used near civilians. While not explicitly banned, their use may violate international humanitarian law's principles of distinction and proportionality. Human rights groups warn of catastrophic civilian harm, citing similar weapons use in Ukraine. Turkish officials insist GAZAP will be used responsibly, only against legitimate military targets. Critics argue its existence lowers the threshold for overwhelming force. The world will watch how Turkey manages this new power, and whether it sets a responsible precedent. GAZAP marks a new chapter for Turkey's military and its global role. The bomb gives the Turkish Air Force a powerful new tool, reshaping regional military planning. Its legacy will depend on whether it's used for deterrence or escalation. Turkey is already developing next-generation weapons like the Hayalet bunker buster and modernizing its air force. Integration with drones and the TFX Khan fighter signals a future of networked, autonomous warfare. GAZAP is a symbol of Turkey's determination to chart its own course. As Turkey's arsenal grows, so does its influence, and the world will be watching. The choices made now will shape the future of warfare and Turkey's place on the world stage.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.